Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here today with the stock of the day. And how can I not take a look at GME? I have to admit, I was doubtful. The last few days have been hit really hard. Got all the way down yesterday to $1.32 or $1.32, $132. But it's had kind of an amazing day. Very whippy, extremely whippy. This is this opening 15-minute candle. Got all the way up to 156. Dropped the next 15 down to 146, the next one's down to 143. You thought, well, maybe that's over. And then look at this buying that came in. I mean, just amazing resiliency for this GME. Of note, BBBY, which was another one of those Reddit stocks that exploded along with the whoops, let me put this one down. Just a minute. I've got to find my chart now. That's what happens. Give me a moment here. There's our chart. So the same thing with the Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, I was actually really wanting to short this, and so was the AI. It had earnings, the reaction to earnings. They released, I think, I'm not sure when they released. I don't see the earnings date right now, but it looks like pre-market. So anyway, it was really getting thumped. But this was one of those Reddit stocks, from, if you remember, this is the week right there when it soared along with GME and the rest of them all the way up to $54. And I guess the word was that they were trying to pile into this one too. Big short float percent. But really, GME, I don't know where it's going to end up today. Come on. I don't know where it's going to end up today. Still very whippy, but I've got to admire and be kind of amazed at the resiliency of this one. All right, that is it. Going to get back into the room. If you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use. Link to the free room, free trading room. I share my screen live on the mic between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you in the room tomorrow. Bye-bye.